Welcome to the video. This is a web-based session authentication system. In the system, it is very useful in cybersecurity and other The system will ask for username and password at the first login. Then it is asked from the user to enter the passwords through a grid. The grid consists rows and columns with numbers and letters. Using those, the user has to submit the password again. Then the system will generate a password to be used by the user at the next login. This is how the system works. First, see the demonstration, then download the stuff, download the every source code and the database, then practice by yourself. First, the user has to register with the system. I am giving the username as Ishara 123 and the password 1A 2B 3C. If I type here another password which is not matched with the current, then it says enter the password twice again. Right. Now I have to insert the password. Before, I have to fill the form from the beginning. Username ISH1234, password 1A 2B 3C, 1A 2B 3C. It says the user is already in the system. Please register again. Again I am trying to register with any other username, ISHDAR, and the password this time the same 1A 2B 3C, right? It should be a combination of digit and number between 1A 2B 3C or whatever combinations. Now I have registered successfully. Now I can log into the system. At the same time, I can see the stored password, username Shardarshana. Sorry, this is the full name Shardarshana Muladasa. Username ISHDAR, password is encrypted. I have given 1A 2B 3C, but here it is in encrypted way. Now I can log into the system. Username ISHDAR 1A 2B 3C. Now it say welcome. Then to enter the system, you should submit the authentication password now using the grid. Now I can click on show grid, which is generated with Ajax. Here 1A 2B 3C 3C. Yeah. Now it says your authentication is success. Welcome to the system. For the next time login, I have to submit 3A 3B 3C. Now I can log out from the system. ISHDAR 3A 3B 3C. Again it asks to submit the password using the grid. If I enter the incorrect password. For example, 3A, 3A, here 3A, 0. I click on 3O. Then whatever, then it says your authentication is failed. Try again. Then I have to log out. Then log again. ISH DAR 3A 3B 3C. Again it shows the grid 3A 3A 3B 3C. Now it is okay. For the next time it is generated another password. This is how the system is working. If I open the project files, this is the index page. This is the code I have used to encrypt the password. To encrypt the password, I use this PHP function OpenSSL encrypt. The cipher method for the encryption is AES128CTR. Here the encryption IV is this digits. I can change this one. Now with the encryption key, I have used the username as the encryption key. For the decryption, I have again used the username as the decryption key. Then it is public key encryption and decryption method. These are the codes I have used to encrypt and decrypt the password. Then this is how I generated the grid for the digits. The other one for the alphabet. And thank you for observing the presentation.